Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we'll see another example for Dijkstra's algorithm. So we have to find the same way what we learned in our previous video. So the starting node is A. So let's put that A in the permanent table. And now A's neighboring nodes are B and C. So node B to go to A with the cost 5. Node C to A with the cost 1. Now you have to find which has the least cost. Least cost is with node C. So add this in the permanent table. Now A, C of A comma 1. Now remaining is B of A comma 5. Now here you have C which has come in the permanent table. Now C's neighboring nodes are A, B and D. So A which is already in the permanent table, so you have to just leave it. B is already there, but we have another way to find out for B. And now neighboring node is D. So node D through C, the cost is node D through C to reach A, the cost is 6. And the other way is the node B through C to reach A. So node B to reach to 3 through C. So 3, 1, that is 4. Now you have to find which is the shortest. Now we have to find which has the least cost. So the least cost is C over here, 4. So add this in the permanent table. A, B of C comma 4. So here you have from A to C with the cost 1. Now here A to C and from C to B. So here the cost is 1 and here the cost is 3. Now we have to find B's neighboring node. So B's neighboring node are C, D and E. So C is already in the permanent table. E and D we will look. So here if you see B is here. So this one you should remove because B is already added in the permanent table. So the remaining is D. So bring down D. Now you have to find out for E. So E's node through B, the cost is 10. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So find which is the least cost. That is with D, node D. Add this in the permanent table. A, comma 1, B of C, comma 4 and then D of C, comma 6. So draw the diagram. C to 1 and then B. Now here if you see through C to D. So from C I'll move on to D. So that is with cost 5. And now bring this down. E of B comma 10. So here D is added in the permanent table. So find which is the neighboring node for D. So the neighboring node for D is F and B. So B is already in the permanent table. So only F you have to find for F. So F through D, the cost is 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. So add here. Now you have to find which is the least cost. The cost for both the nodes are same. So you have to find which is the immediate node to E. So you have to find which is the immediate node. So that is E. So add this in the permanent table. With E of B comma 10. Now let's draw the diagram. So from A to C, then B and then D. Now E. So from node B I have to extend it to E. So from node B to E. So you have to bring the same cost what it is in the diagram. This 6. And now E is added in the permanent table. So E's neighboring node is F and B. So B is already added in the permanent table. So you have to find for F. So F is already here. Bring this down. Now there is no more nodes to find out. So add this in the permanent table. So you have to get the same thing down and add this in the permanent table. So the node F, it will go through D. So through D it moves to node F with the cost 4. So this is how you solve. So let's draw the diagram. So from node A reaching to all other nodes, the shortest path C with cost 1. Now from C it goes to B 3, from B E with cost 6, and from C it moves to D 5, and from D it moves on to F, so that is with 4. So this is how you find the shortest path from node A to reach all other nodes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.